How to open a camera on MacBook Pro. So let's get started. As you can see here, a search icon, click it here and search photo booth. Here you can see, click it here. Here you can see different options. Here you can see effects, normal and different effects. You can try it as well. If you want to capture a photo, you can simply click it here. As you can see here, a new photo has been captured. This is how you can use your camera in your MacBook Pro. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.